Ever been in a moment where you prayed so hard, Ya Allah, please, just this once, but nothing happened? You waited, you cried, you stayed up late, whispering your pain in sujood, and still silence. It hurts, right? Feels like maybe Allah forgot you, but trust me, He didn't. He's just working on something you can't see yet. See, patience, sabr, isn't about doing nothing. It's about keeping your heart steady, even when your world feels like it's falling apart. It's about saying, "Okay, Allah, I don't get it right now, but I trust you know what's best." Because sometimes the delay is the blessing. Sometimes Allah holds back what you want to give you what you need. Maybe that job you didn't get was going to destroy your peace. Maybe that person who left was never written for you. Maybe that prayer you thought went unanswered was actually Allah saying, "Not yet, my servant." You see, patience isn't weakness. It's strength hidden deep inside your soul. It's your heart whispering, "I'm going to keep trusting Allah, even when life feels unfair." Because every test, every heartbreak, every no isn't rejection, it's direction. Allah guiding you closer to something better. And when the time is right, boom, you'll realize why He made you wait. You'll look back and say, "Subhanallah, now it all makes sense." So next time you feel like giving up, remember this: your patience is being watched, your tears are being counted, and your prayers never ignored. Allah's timing, always perfect. So breathe, trust, and say, "Hasbunallahu wa ni'mal wakil." Because when you trust Allah, you never lose.